building, so those two-story building. So it's unfortunately, so these buildings are closed right now. But
he lives there, right?
He doesn't live in the Kremlin. No, he lives in his private house, in his house, in the cathedral. It seems to me they have a meeting, or is the largest Russian library to the Kremlin, the main entrance, the Kutafia Tower tomorrow at 9 o'clock. But we have to be here by 10:30, so we will have a 2:30. This is the oldest, the beautiful fountains. And can you see those glass cupolas with the fountains? So these are the right, and see our underground mall. That's something. It's like, underground palace. It was opened 2 months ago. Only 2 months ago, just there, and he told me that this hotel will be fully booked for the next couple of years. It's really, believe me, if you go there, look through the windows.
Oh, yeah.
Look through the windows. This is our local Harrods.
Oh, Harrods.
Harrods.
Oh.
When you're inside, and you are doing shopping in a reception hall with magnificent common people. It was not open for everybody. To do shopping there, you had to obtain a special pass or permit to go do that. Of course, we'll do it together. Yes. So we start from, you remember, you see that, the Gold Arches?
Yes.
The largest McDonald's in Europe. Not in the world, in Europe.
The largest in the world at the time.
Yes, to the right. You see, to the right. This one.
Oh,
This one. On the third floor.
Oh, okay.
It's a very good area, very nice location. Metro, 2 seconds from the house.
Restaurant manager，脸也臭臭的，跟着哦，很媚的，头发直直的。
今天对我笑得很厉害，大概看了你的戏呢，我操。
我还没送你，是师傅开的。